Ready to unlock the power of VeChain right within your Trust wallet? Let's jump straight into adding VeChain to your Trust wallet. First, make sure you have Trust wallet downloaded and set up on your phone. If you haven't already, head to your App Store or Google Play Store, download Trust wallet, and follow their initial setup process, including securely backing up your recovery phrase. This is your key to accessing your funds. Once you're in the app, look for the icon that will enable you to add new cryptocurrencies. This is usually located in the top right corner of the main wallet screen, often depicted as toggles or lines with circles on them. Tap on that icon, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can search for tokens in the search bar. Simply type VeChain. You should see VeChain VET appear in the list next to it. You'll see a toggle switch slide. That toggle switch to the right to enable VeChain in your wallet. It should turn green to indicate that it's activated. Go back to your main wallet screen. You should now see VeChain VET listed along with your other cryptocurrencies. If you don't see it immediately, try scrolling down or refreshing the app. Tap on the VeChain listing here. You'll find options to send VeChain to other addresses, receive VeChain into your wallet, or potentially buy VeChain directly within the app, depending on your region and Trust wallet's available integrations. And that's it. You've successfully added VeChain to your Trust wallet. Now you can securely store, manage, and transact with your VET tokens. Enjoy.